So what is it that you're doing? You're just prepping the surface of the metal for when you go to weld it? And that just allows for a better weld is what it is, right? So this bracket that you customize is basically going to go over there, and another bracket's going to go over there. So very cool. So this is Dustin and Big and your RV Specialist, and we're doing a frame crack on a Grand Design reflection. It's not nothing that's crazy. So for those of you watching thinking, oh my gosh, there's catastrophic damage, it's not. But Lippert and both Grand Design are taking care of these, and so we just wanted to let you guys know that if you have a problem with your frame, or if you need some help with the situation, give us a holler.